Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sadia Education Mali. I'm a student at Rehan School. I joined Rehan School about 2 months ago. I enjoy learning new things, developing my skill, and exploring different ideas. Today I'm going to present a summary of an inspiring talk called The Future of Learning by Swagata Mitra. Introduction of Swagata Mitra is a famous educational researcher and professor from India. He is well known for his innovation ideas about education and technology. He became famous through his hole in the wall experiment where computers were placed in public places and children learned how to use them without any formal teaching. Through his research, he discovered that the children can learn many things on their own when they are curious and have access to inform. His work has influenced educators around the world and has introduced new ways to thinking about learning. Summary of the talk his Sogata Mitra explained that the education system we use today was created many years ago during this industrial age. At that time, schools were designed to prepare students for office and factories job. Students were expected to memorize information and follow instructions. However, today's world is very different. Technology and the internet have made information available everywhere. Students no longer needed to memorize every fact because knowledge can be accessed quickly. Therefore, Swagata Mitra believes that the education should focus to developing skills such as creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and collaboration. One of the most important idea in his talk is that children learn best when they are curious. Instead of giving students all the answer, teachers should ask interesting questions and encourage students to find solutions themselves. When children working together discuss ideas and explore information, they become more active learners. Swata Mitra also introduced the concept of self-organized learning environment. In these learning environments, students work in groups, use the internet, and investigate big questions. The teacher's role is not only provide information but also to guide, encourage, and inspire students. Another important point in the role of technology in education. Sugata Mitra believes that technology should be used as a tool to support learning. Computer and the internet can help students explore new topics, connect with information from around the world and learn independently. He emphasized that future of education is not about memorizing facts for exam. Instead, it is about understanding concept, asking questions, working with others, and continuously learning throughout life. What I learned from his talk taught me that the learning is not limited to classroom and textbook. We can learn from our own curiosity. It also showed me that the importance of asking questions and finding answers through research and teamwork. Conclusion: Sopata Mitra's message is the future of learning should encourage curiosity, creativity, collaboration, and independent thinking. Students should become active learners who explore ideas and solve problems rather than simply memorizing information. His vision inspired us become lifelong learner and the prepare for the challenges of the future. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.